Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm currently at Werrington waiting on for special ANZAC Day train services. One of them is operated by a Waratah. It'll be stopping at all stations to Granville, then following by Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point and North Sydney. While we have a passing fee set as well, they will be heading to its unusual destination of Museum via Town Hall, with the next stopping for that train after Penrith is Blacktown, then followed by Parramatta, Granville, Strathfield, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Quay, St James and Museum. So sit back and enjoy this special vlog. Just as I said, we have a Waratah pulling in on platform number 1 heading for North Sydney, stopping at St Mary's, then all stations to Granville, followed by Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point and North Sydney. Waratah Set A61. Can't believe I'm doing this at 20 past 2 in the morning. Waratah Set A61 now departing platform number 1 for North Sydney service. This train will be stopping at St Mary's, then followed by Mount Druitt, Ritty Hill, Doonside, Blacktown, Seven Hills, Toongabbie, Pendle Hill, Wentworthville, Westmead, Parramatta, Harris Park, Granville, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point and North Sydney. That Waratah set was A61. Whilst I'm waiting for this fee set to pass through platform number 1 at Werrington, Werrington has a brand new station indicator boards. We should have a 4-car fee set rocketing past platform number 1 headed to the city circle via Town Hall. Bit unusual destination for this fee set. Coming out of the darkness, there was fee 13 headed for its next stop Blacktown, then following by Parramatta, Granville, Strathfield, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Quay, St James and Museum. Anyway guys, it's time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.